Alright guys, we are going to check on the sweet potatoes. Oh yeah, this is Kip with Thousands of Roots. And today is a cool day, beautiful day. And we're going to check on our sweet potato harvest and see how it did this year. We're excited and we'll take you along for that journey.
I'm checking the soil to see if we can just do it with our hands.
Do what?
Dig out the sweet potatoes.
Ah, we're here to see if we can harvest the sweet potatoes.
Sweet potato harvesting.
Yay! We might be able to do it by hand.
Now can we just pull the plants out? Just
It's just breaking them.
yeah, isn't that the first step? Hun?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah.
There you go.
That's not a bad one.
Take it.
I guess we need to get a basket.
Just put it aside.
And just line it up on the edge there.
Whoa. This is hard. Yeah, look at
Oh
that.
my goodness!
Yay! For the
Yeah!
Smiths, this is our biggest sweet potato ever.
I've never seen
For
that.
sure. Hugest. Put it right next to your head, Josh. Wait. Yeah. Oh yeah! Look at that. There's our thumbnail. Hand it to Esther. Watch this. Esther, look what we got.
This is the melon sweet potato.
What do you think about that, Esther? It's huge.
Here's not a bad one.
Oh, that's a big one too.
Another right there. Can you get it out? Yeah, that's nice.
That's a fun one.
There's another little one. Look at this. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Nathan. Jeez. It's like the size of your head. Yeah, different kind.
So we planted three plants.
Oh, there we go. Look at that. There's another.
Another one.
Hey, this one's a little snowman.
If you want, you guys can pull the vines out a little bit better. Watch out for the calendula. If you can save that, that's great.
Yeah.
Oh, there's some growing on the edge even.
Yeah, look at that. I see littler ones. Whoa, that one's broke. It's a lot.
Yeah. There's a comfrey. Comfrey survived.
There's a broken one right here. No, don't pull on that one.
That was a
Pretty well in
volunteer
there.
comfrey.
Watch out, Nate. Let dig it out. Yeah. It's a bunch right here. Oh my, look at this. It's a couple over here. Yeah. And these are going deep. They're all over. Yeah, look at this. Get this out. Look, you're gonna have to
Might need to go get the pitchfork for those guys.
Got one. Good. Yeah, it's going on to the edge. Daddy, you're making that good down. Oh my.
That one's
Shit.
stuck on the edge.
It's still going deeper. I know, it's just so deep. Come out of here. Oh man, it grew underneath his block. Look at that.
Am I tearing anything else out?
I think the flowers came up. That's okay.
Yeah. I was able to pick some flowers. Yep. There's a teeny one starting to Mama! Oh, got it. I think I'm getting it here. Here, got it. See?
We can
Good job.
Underneath that.
back in.
It's
Nice.
growing underneath this big thing down here.
Oh, you're going to replant the flowers? Thank you, Esther. She's going to plant the calendula back in there.
Okay, let's find some more. Get it in there.
Thank you, darling.
Can we even get that out of there? How big is it?
Nathan, look at what you're getting out of the ground.
Come
Like getting a boulder out of there.
Oh my goodness.
on. Can you
Can't believe how big they got.
having a bunch of dirt. Yeah.
You get it?
There's a couple there, looks like.
I don't know if I can get this one.
Sure you can, just keep digging around it.
That's what I'm doing. Oh, that's your goal. Oh, look at that.
Woo! Hand it to Critter, let him see.
Whoa!
Critter, what you think about that?
Yeah, that's bigger than this one. And I can hold that back in. That's out.
Okay guys, check out our harvest. Look at that. This is by far our best sweet potato harvest we've ever had. And this came from 3 slips. 3 little plants we planted. Isn't that multiplication right there? Very cool. What do you think about this harvest?
Great, huh?
Yeah, I like it.
Time to make some sweet potato pies.
Yeah,
Yeah.
very cool. What do you think about that little chickie, huh? Yeah. You like that little chickie? She's slobbering. She's excited.
Don't go too fast.
Daddy just got this to help the homestead, but most of all to help get Joseph out. He loved going on walks. Now we get to take him on walks again. How is it?
Yeah.
Is that fun? It's great to get outside and move around, huh?
Yeah.
Woohoo!
Hey, Mama. I got a joke for you. Why have legs if you have wheels?
Yeah, and big sister and brothers to help pull you along, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Well, another day's almost over. We enjoyed some sweet potato pies from just one of those sweet potatoes, one of the big ones. I was able to make 2 pies to go with our supper. That was really good. And so we're just so thankful. We haven't had much time at all or resources for the garden because we're building this homestead from scratch and there's just so much to do. So it's just such a blessing that we were able to get all those sweet potatoes with so little effort. Super thankful. Sweet potatoes are nutritious and delicious, and we look forward to, we've got a whole box now, and it's going to be great. So thanks for joining us today, digging up the potatoes. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and whatever you do, go at it with your whole heart.